everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a Pin Me Up Wednesday video, and I always love participating in the Pin Me Up Wednesday when I can, and I have a very special unboxing today. I have some of the Haunted Mansion pins. It's a mystery pin, and y'all, I got this in a gruesome twosome box swap from my friend Devoney, and so I am so excited. She gifted me 6 boxes. Can you believe it? Here are the options, and I love the portraits. I really hope to get that, and I love the clock. I just love them all. I think they're so pretty. So if y'all want to see which ones I get, come on back. Okay, y'all, let's get to opening. This is our first box out of 6, and you know, I guess this is a Loungefly pen, maybe. I don't know. It doesn't say, but anyway, you only get one in a box. Is the point I'm trying to make. And here we go. Let's open it up. Well, I think we can tell right off the bat that this, let's look at the back. Yeah, it's Loungefly. It is the Haunted Mansion logo. Let me see if I can hold it up better. There you go. Isn't that pretty? They're smaller than I thought they were going to be, but I love it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty pen. Okay, that's our first one. Let's now go and see what our second one is. All right. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. So I have a trader. We now have 2 Haunted Mansion logo pins. Okay, let's go to our next one, which is box number 3. Let's see which one we get. I love these boxes. They're so pretty. Oh, I'm stuck. All right. Are you kidding me? 3 for 3. Haunted Mansion logo. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've got 3 of those if anybody needs it. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can get something different this time. All right, here's our next box. Oh, good. We got a portrait. Oh, look at this. That's pretty. Oh, my goodness. I love it. I was really hoping to get all of these. But that's the back again. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Okay, we got one of the portraits. Let's see what we got in the next box. Okay, it's oh my goodness. I love that it's a portrait, but it's the same portrait. Oh my goodness. I love it. So I'm getting a lot of dupes this time. Okay, we got 1 box left. I would like to get another portrait. Oh no. It don't feel like a portrait. Please don't let it be the Haunted Mansion sign. Oh yay! It's the clock! I love it. I have that crossbody now. And I think it's so pretty. Look at that. Love it. So pretty. Okay, let me put these on the board and I'll be right back. Okay, here are the pins that I pulled. I do love the portraits. I just think they're so pretty. I have 2 of these, so I will have one for trade. I love that I got the clock. And then I have 3 of the Haunted Mansion logos. I mean, they're pretty, but I don't need 3. So those, I definitely have a couple of those for trade as well. So, all right, guys, that was it. I loved it. It was so much fun. I love opening mystery pins. And, yeah, thank you so much for watching. And y'all stay tuned. We got more coming. Bye.